Hello and welcome to Mr. Franklin Explains Some Math. This is some more practice with z-scores. This is in the chapter for statistics, specifically working with the normal model. In this assignment, please type your answers directly into the boxes and show your work. If for any reason you cannot, please write your work on separate paper and upload a picture. In order to get higher than a 3 on this assignment, you must show your work. You can still get credit for this assignment if you just type in the answers after having done them on your calculator, but you have to make at least some effort to show your work if you're going to get anything higher than a 3. That's from the rubric for the How grade for this class. By this time, you should have the z-score formula written down and have used it for some practice. If you don't have it on your toolkit yet, please do it now. Here is that formula. So we've got z equals, where z is the standardized value, and we're going to take x minus mu, that's whatever value we're looking at in the distribution, minus the mean, all over sigma. Remember to, on your calculator, hit enter after doing x minus mu. I'll show you why in just a moment. So this is the z-score formula is z equals x minus mu all divided by sigma, where mu is the mean and sigma is the standard deviation. Hopefully you knew that by now. In the problem below, please find the z-score for the given value. In this example, the mean is 17 and the standard deviation is 1.5. So, given this distribution, the mean is 17, we can see that right in the middle, and looking at that inflection point right there, we can see that one standard deviation is at about, one standard deviation above the mean rather, is at about 18.5, and that fits with the given information here. The mean is 17 and the standard deviation is 1.5. The value we're trying to find the z-score for is this, 20.5. Please notice that it's above the mean. It is more than one standard deviation above the mean. And it's going to be a positive z-score since it's above the mean. So let's just plug some numbers into our equation, and then I will get out my calculator. We've got on the top of the fraction, we're looking for the number, the z-score for the number 20.5, and we're going to subtract from that mean. Not quite done yet, because on the bottom of this fraction, I'm going to put the standard deviation, which is 1.5. I'm going to underline this to show that it's a fraction, or rather, a division problem. Now I'm going over here to my calculator, and I'm going to do 20.5 minus 17. You could probably do that in your head, right? But just to make sure, that comes out to be 3.5. Make sure you hit enter after doing that. Don't try to do it all in one go, or you will get the wrong answer. And we're going to divide this by 1.5. So we've got 3.5 divided by 1.5. We'll do that on my calc, and I get 2.3. It's 2.33333 repeating, but we round off our z-scores usually to one decimal place, at least in this class. You can go to more decimal places than that to get more accurate answers, but that's beyond the scope of this course. So, in this case, this problem that doesn't have any context with it, I can see that the z-score of an x value of 20.5 is going to be 2.3. Soon we will be using these z-scores to calculate some more information, but for right now we've got some more practice problems below using just the z-score formula and some normal distributions with a highlighted value. So, After this video is over, please go do the practice problems. Thank you very much for watching today.